So this is how you can print a downloaded PDF on your MacBook. Let's get started right now. So at first, since you have downloaded that PDF file, what you need to do is to locate it within your Finder. So open up any kind of folder or the Finder icon right there. And it is kind of likely that it is saved inside of the Downloads folder, which could be the case, but if not, just locate it somewhere else. It doesn't necessarily have to be inside of the downloads. It might be on the desktop or in a different folder, but essentially you want to locate that file. And once you do, then you can select it by clicking on it, and then you can press on the space bar to open up the preview. Now, in order to print it right here, what you can do is to use a shortcut or the shortcut of Command and P. That's again Command P at the same time on the keyboard, and this will start the printing process, right? So it's gonna like open up a quick window, then it's gonna go away. But what you're gonna notice is that at the bottom, there is a new icon in the dock, and that is the Print Center. So you can open it up and see the progress, see the printer that you are connected to, and see, have more options like to pause it and cancel that printing process and so on. Naturally, you can also go directly to that app if you open up your launcher or all of the apps view and find the Print Center. Then you can open it up directly and see your printer and the files. You can even drag and drop files directly to this app and make the printing process get started. So more options, but essentially this is how it works. In order to add a new printer or pair a new one, you can tap on the plus button in the bottom left and you'll be able to install a brand new printer, connect it, and then start using it. So that's it, that's how it works. It's like a very quick guide, so let me know below in the comments if you have more questions about it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe so you don't miss another tutorial like this one in the future. See you later.